According to psychology, smiling is the psychological symbol of strength. Psychology says not everyone will go as you expect in life. Adjustment with right people is always better than argument with the wrong ones. A study has proven sarcasm enhances the ability of human mind to solve almost all complex problems in life. People with dark eyes are more agreeable, while on the other hand, people with blue eyes tend to be more competitive. Shy people tend to have great observational skills, making it easier for them to recognize the core of a problem. The unconscious mind plays a much larger role in shaping our behavior. Many people don't realize it, but many of our actions and decisions are influenced by unconscious thoughts and feelings. Our memories are not always accurate. Our memories can be influenced by our emotions, our attitude, and even the way we are asked to remember something. People have a natural tendency to seek out patterns and meaning in the world around them, even when none exist. This is known as apophenia. Our emotional state can have a significant impact on our physical health. For example, chronic stress has been linked to a number of physical health problems. Our behavior is often influenced by the presence of others, even when we are not aware of it, and this is known as social facilitation. Want to get some attention? Stop chasing that person and start ignoring him or her. They'll shower you with attention. On those days when you feel sad, you can trick your mind by pretending to smile. In no time, you would be smiling for real. Psychology says you can sustain that high level of concentration for not more than just 10 minutes. Speak a line to yourself daily about what you wish to do or become. According to psychology, you would see turning it into reality. According to psychology, 70% of people like old songs because their memories attach to them. Psychology says people who always ask for advice have chances of low self-esteem in them. When people feel lonely most of the time, they just have a lot of free time. And if they're still feeling lonely, then it might be because they're craving closeness from people who do not understand them. Men are often afraid that their partner will be killed or committed suicide, while on the other hand, women are often afraid that their partner will suffer accident or die in old age. Women are more likely to feel pain than men, and at the same time, women are more tolerant of pain than men. Pretty people are automatically more acceptable by people, while average-looking people have to do something above average to get accepted, since some human minds appreciate physical beauty and repels average because of the immaturity of brain. Some people will get goosebumps while listening to music because they developed a special connection with it. Study shows these people listen to music very frequently and their work capacities and capabilities are partly dependent on it. If they are bred from listening to music for 1 month, their productivity will automatically fall. Psychology says money instills confidence and happiness in majority of people. It increases their desire to work and live. According to a psychological survey, 73% of people get their best innovative ideas when showering. Firstborns say they are more responsible than their younger siblings 54% of the time, while on the other hand, younger siblings believe that they are funnier 46% of the time. According to a study, living in an environment with a lot of water visibility to a human mind is correlated with lower levels of psychological distress. According to psychology, most of the time flying in your dreams shows a strong urge to be in imagination and break free from your everyday routine. A study finds that making fun of your other half makes your relationship strong. It has been seen that it's the inside jokes between couples that cement a strong bond that lasts longer than others. According to a study of human behaviors, when a group of people laugh, each person automatically looks at the person they like the most. Psychology says when you're in a bad mood, look at the color blue and green. It will help you calm down almost immediately, unlike the color black and gray. Psychology says if you meet someone in a dangerous situation, your chances of falling in love with them increases. A study has found out it's the sense of humor and sarcasm that a woman pursued in a man.